Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how to do the table formatting in Excel file. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open the Excel file. Okay, so here assuming I have a list of the employee in my company. Okay, I have some information like the first one is number, second one is employee name, the third is email address, salary, profile, and note. Okay, so now here I'm going to enter some the value into this table, and after that finally I will do some formatting to make the table look better. Okay, so here for example I have around 20 employee. So here you just need to enter the number 1 and then you press the Ctrl on the keyboard. Okay, hover to this cell and it will appear the plus icon. You just drag and drop it from the top to the bottom. The number will be increased. Okay, after that you enter the employee name. Okay, so here I have a Chiến Vũ Hoàng, Chiến VS. Okay. Okay, something like this. I will copy the name here. Okay, and then email address. I will have it here. Okay, something like this. Copy it. Okay, and the address will be Hanoi, Vietnam. Copy it, just copy it here. Salary in USD, something like this. I have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. Okay. Okay. So here for the profile, I will open the website and I will copy some the RAM if some information here. Just dummy data. Profile. Okay. So here for the profile, I will make it the text is wrap text. Okay. Increase the size for the note column. Okay. Remove it. Okay, copy the data here for other column, for other row. Okay. Same thing with the note, should be wrap text. Okay, I will copy it for other row. Okay, so here you see I will update the alignments for the data in each row. Yeah. By default, it will align at the bottom of the row. So here I will select on, and then you see in the home tab, take a look into the alignment section. I have there some option here: middle align, top align, on bottom align. Okay, so here I will align it in the middle. Okay, it looks better. So now I will select all of the data in this table. I have a 21 row here. Okay, 21. And then, so now we are going to do some formatting for this table. Yeah, because if you see here by default the table it look not good, and if you deliver this table of data to someone, it's not good. Okay, so you should do some formatting for it before you deliver it to any person in the team or even your management. Okay, so here you click on the home tab, yeah, and then direct to the style group of the home. So here we have a format as a table. Click on this one, it will list down all of the options. Yeah, by default it have a lot of options here. You just go ahead to use it. Otherwise, if you think the built-in option here is not suitable for you, you can click on a new table style to create a new one for yourself. Okay. However, I think the built-in here it is enough for me at this time. Okay. Okay, so by default here it have three group of the style. We have align, medium, and dark option. Okay, I go ahead to select some option from light, medium, and dark here for you. Okay, the first one I will select the dark option. Okay, and then it's all of the data in this table will be selected and formatted here. You see it seems better than the default one. Okay. On the top we have some filter option. Okay. So here if you click on this one and select any data here, it will only filter the data for selected value. Yeah. You can clear the filter. It will display back all of the data. Okay. So here I will select it again, and then I will change the formatting for it by select the line option. So here when you hover into the style in the format as a table option here, it will automatically apply the change, so it will be easier for you to quickly view the new style for the table. Yeah. Medium. Okay, a lot of things. Okay, so here I will select an option in the line. Okay, I will select I think this one is fit my bed. Select it. Okay, it looks very nice. Save it. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to create the you know how to do formatting for the table in the Excel file. Okay, I hope this video will helpful for you. Let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.